Polycasters, and welcome to another edition of, oh no, this is not another edition. Hello, oh, don't make me laugh. Hey there, Polycasters, welcome to another edition of the Meownica Show. Sorry, all my went berserk. Are you all out of the shot? Oh. If you've noticed, and if you try to use them with some of our custom elements, the wrapper is going to take these inputs and make them pretty. Guys, I forgot what this demo did. Do you have tape? Why don't you just tape it to my back? Oh, look at that. I have an argument called birthday. It is in the right format, which is a thing that the server wanted to Look at that. I have an argument called birthday. It is in the right format, which is a thing that the server wanted to and that's how you can, God damn it. This is never gonna work. In the comments below, or you can find me on Twitter, @NodWaldorf. Thanks so much for watching. I forgot everything. God, this is hard.
Awesome. Yay! That was really awesome. I'm super excited for all of you to use the editor service and the plugins. We've been testing it on the team, and it's the kind of improvement in development workflow that makes you not just more productive, but happier, because it removes so much frustration in day-to-day development. I mean, I personally want feedback as soon as I can get it. And I want to see my mistakes as soon as I make them, and this is exactly what this delivers. So we're really excited about this. We hope you are too. And that concludes our tour of tools. We have a lot of changes coming up that we hope will make you happier and more productive Polymer users. And with projects like the extensible analyzer and linter, we hope to serve the entire web components ecosystem. This is something that's really important to us. We think interoperability is a huge strength of web components, and we hope to push that forward as much as we can. You might be wondering when you can use all this. So as you saw, some of it is available today. The CLI is in beta now. The IDE plugins are in preview now. And the new linter and bundler will be in preview soon, available through the CLI. And then we're going to be working on NPM and Yarn support very soon. All right, that does it for us. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a great day.
Thank you so much to the tools team, without which our lives would be so much harder. We have a little break now. We have a code lab on building a Polymer and Firebase PWA. The tools team will be in the Ask Polymer Lounge, so make sure you go talk to them to find out about all the cool things that they talked about. If you're on the live stream and have nothing to do for half an hour, watch some Polycast. Figure out why I was cursing so much. Rob usually doesn't. See you all at 11:30. These entrances are really spoiling me. If I ever have to do this again and they don't do a light show before I have to open my mouth, it's going to be really tragic. Next.
Like, understand what's happening in the wild. Is it working? If it's not working, how do we debug it? When you move a lot of stuff to client, you lose all of the logging that you would have got on server, so you need to compensate for that somehow. And this is one of the ways we do it. Also, we do some availability, API availability and performance checks. So this is like, oh, okay, did the API fail when we tried to get products? So you can see like there's some error rates there. If it did fail, what's the status code? What was the reason that that API failed? And then we have some API latency. So it's like, how long did it take to make that API call and come back? And these are great as developers, right? We can debug and we can look and we can delve deeper into what's going on with our application. But they're not great for our business customers, our product owners who want to know how well is this performing for our customers. So we also have some other metrics. So this is customer performance metrics. And that's removed. And we can have metrics on that as how long it takes them. So, to summary, I went a little bit fast, I'm sorry. I hope that all made sense. And there was a lot in there. But I just want to kind of summarize these things. Invest time into reusable, accessible, tested, granular components. And what that'll help you do is promote code reuse. Your developers will be able to find this code, adopt it, and not reinvent the wheel every time you create something. This also helps for design and experience consistency. So your site works and behaves the same each and every time. It also allows you to add complexity away from your applications. So because you've put all of this testing and effort into these small little components, your applications don't need to have as much coverage. Plug and play components straight into your application, so you can spend more time on customer experience, collecting and understanding customer-focused metrics, and do the fun stuff. You don't want to reinvent the wheel every single time. No one wants to write fetch or XHR requests multiple times. You can use that component and plug it straight in. I thought of a really nice way to summarize this as we're in London as well, which is if you look after the pennies, the pounds will look after themselves. And thanks for listening. That's me, Robin.
I thought that was a perfectly reasonable speaking space. It's time for lunch. Yay, food. Be back here at 2. The speakers will be in the Ask Polymer Lounge around 1:30 so that we give them a chance to eat. Come say hi. I still have Polymosaurus stickers if anybody wants them. See you at 2.
So what we can do is we can say, let's have two new variables, because why not? Rx equals math.max mid-x or window.innerWidth minus max, no, mid-x, there we go. Same goes for y. Y, here we are, there we are, height minus mid-y, and then dunk, Rx, dunk, Ry. Does that all make sense? Hopefully.
Maybe. You do the math.
There you go. 1, 2.
That looks good.
They both work. They're customizable. We've done some showbiz. We're all out of time. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Keep going on.
Get out of here.
Hey,
my stage.
It's Minika.
Make your site faster. Make your site faster. It isn't fast enough. Well, that was absurdly excellent. We have a break now. There is a code lab on building custom overlays by Valdrin, if you are interested in that. And we'll be back at 4:15. See you soon.
You may all now leave the stage. I'm going to turn it over to Matt McNulty.
All right, so this is just going to be like one more minute. So first of all, I just want to thank you guys, all of you, because you've been a tremendous audience. You're in your seats at exactly the right time. Only 2 people forgot their badges. We won't call them out specifically. And there's almost no drop off from day one to day 2, and that's super, super important to us because we do this for you, right? Of sort of planes, trains, and automobiles only got here about 2 hours ago. So we actually started up registration again and got them their badges printed out and got them here. So big round of applause for them, wherever you are. So thank you very, very much. This has been awesome. It's just great to have people here and finally get this out there for everyone to see. We have sort of 2 things we still need you to do. So there is a survey already in your inbox. This really helps us improve and figure out what we need to cover next year, what we need to do better, what we've done really, really well. It's very, very important. Please do your best to take care of that. The other thing is just, use Polymer. Talk about it. Share the talks that you saw today. Build something. Put it in components. Go on Slack. Talk about it. Go on Hacker News and deal with that. Which, I can't ask you to do that, really. That's too much to ask of anyone, except Justin occasionally. They all laughed. But anyway, thank you so much. Watch the survey. I'm sure I'm forgetting something, but thank you very much. We'll be here for a little bit, and see ya.